and I'm retired educator, anyway, president of sickle cell. So that's why I'm here, because at one time I knew how to use computers, but something happened to me. I have a block. As it said, if you don't use it, you lose it.
Right.
So I'm just really glad to be here, and Lynn is a wonderful teacher. It's just that I've got to open up and learn.
It's different.
It is awesome. I was in such a funk. It's like, I just can't do this. And my children try to help me, but they want to do it for me. And that's not gonna work. But
Right.
she's so clear, and everybody in this class is so helpful to each other.
Good.
It's like, I feel like I've got a new family almost. I'm serious. It's
Good.
good sense. So,
Wonderful, I am so happy. And you, now y'all know.
And I'm a retired builder,
Okay.
been retired about 40 years, and I love the class.
Okay.
I really love the class. If you guys could just put up with me till it get started, I'll be okay.
You'll be all right.
And I'm widowed. My beauty queen died and left me after 71 years.
Wow.
And I'm only 95.
I know that's right, you touch some of that longevity will rub off, I'm telling you. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Okay, all right, I'm Thelma Bruce, and I can deal with the computer. I do a lot on my phone, but I am actually learning a lot of tidbits from Lynn. The file system, a file manager was really good for me. And I don't know how I did it. I pulled up a file one time and I didn't follow that. Somehow or another I got it. But now I have the path that makes it an easy flow. So I'm looking forward to Excel, because that was one of the major things I wanted to do. But I have to say this, Lynn is excellent. She's patient, I know. And even before this class, if I had an issue with the computer, all I do is call her. And if she can walk me through it and tell me what to do, then I can do it. I'm a learn as you go person. But this is good because it gives you all the techniques.
Okay.
So the class is wonderful. Thank you so
Wonderful,
much.
Dave.
And I was learning like everybody else. I just go to the library from the house, and the ladies taught me how to turn the computer on, because I ain't never done email before, so I'm
Good.
working on it.
Wonderful, yeah, email, it's essential to know how to do
Yeah,
email.
then
I'm Sheila Lily Lewis. Very, very happy to be in this class. Lynn is a very good teacher. I've worked on the computers before because of my jobs and all, but I had some bumps and mountains that I had to climb, actually. Since I've been here, actually, when we first got here, Lynn explained every part of the computer. The hard drive, the soft drive, what's in it, what does this, and I have it all right here on mine, that I took notes on that. Like the CPU is the brain of the computer. We don't like to say that, but that's what they call it. The file management, that was a perfect class for me.
Okay.
The basic computer, she taught us, and she went back and answered questions, and she has patience of Job, I want to say. Then we got to do the emails, and then we learned how to do our mouse for those who we wasn't too sure, and how to turn the computer, delete, alternate,
Okay.
control.
Yeah.
We learned that,
Okay.
and we also emailed each other.
Oh, good, good, so wonderful. Natalie, please.